Electron carriers, folks, our electron carrier and then our energy carrier are used to combine with carbon dioxide to make glucose. So all the carbon, all the oxygen here, and this hydrogen and the electron associated with it end up in glucose. So we use the energy that we've just harnessed to perform a series of reactions that combine all these carbon dioxides to make a larger molecule made of 6 carbons called glucose.
Wouldn't the other products be like NAD plus and ADP?
Yeah. If I flush this whole thing out, right, we get glucose, we get NAD plus, and we get our ADP back from this reaction. Yeah, and these guys, they can go back, right, and get used to. Oops, that should be NADP plus. They go back and be used again. So they're regenerative.
Wait, so carbon cycle happens in this
And something that I've been neglecting, which maybe I shouldn't have, is that, of course, here we needed this extra phosphate ion, right?
Is that it? Yeah. Are you gonna do cellular respiration? Yes. I need that one.